Hi friends, it's Liam. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn about days of the week. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, press the like button, subscribe now, and turn on the notification bell to receive all the latest lessons. Days of the week. In Papiamentu, all the days of the weeks start with Ja. D-J-A. Ja. Say it with me. Ja. Sunday in Papiamentu is Ja Domingo. Ja Domingo. Ja Domingo. Monday in Papiamentu is Ja Luna. Ja Luna. Ja Luna. Tuesday in Papiamentu is Ja Mars. Ja Mars. Ja Mars. Wednesday in Papiamentu is Ja Razón. Ja Razón. Ja Razón. Thursday in Papiamentu is Ja Whips. Ja Whips. Friday in Papiamentu is Ja Vierne. Ja Vierne. Ja Vierne. Saturday in Papiamentu is Ja Sabra. Ja Sabra. Nice job! So let's do them together again. The first day of the week is Ja Domingo. Ja Domingo. The second, Ja Luna. Ja Luna. The third is Ja Mars. Ja Mars. The fourth is Ja Razón. Ja Razón. The fifth is Ja Whips. Ja Whips. The sixth, Ja Pierne. Ja Pierne. And the seventh is Ja Sabra. Ja Sabra. Okay. Now that we know the words, let's practice. I will say it in Papiamentu and you will tell me what day it is. So, Ja Domingo. Ja Domingo is? Yes, Sunday. Ja Luna. Ja Luna is? Monday. Monday. Ja Mars. Ja Mars is Tuesday. Ja Razón. Ja Razón is Wednesday. Wednesday. Ja Whips. Ja Whips is Thursday. Thursday. Ja Vierne. Ja Vierne is Friday. Ja Sabra. Ja Sabra is Saturday. Great job! So today we learned all the days of the week. So now we need to practice and practice to get them better. You can play this video again so you can practice the words. If you haven't subscribed, click that like button so you can get all the other lessons and learn something new. So today, tell me in Papiamentu, What is today? Ah, really good. You did learn something today. So keep learning every day.